Congratulations and thank you for your trust in us, and we promise that you will get all that we promised and more inside the IntelliMate AI members area. But before you proceed to access IntelliMate AI and set it up to supercharge your business to close more clients, deals, collect leads and sales in a snap, I would like to ask you a question. Would you like to remove all limitations to go unlimited and unlock premium features to get 3x more profits faster and easier with this elite upgrade? I am super excited to introduce IntelliMate AI Elite, including the power of AI to take your business to the next level by getting full flexibility to do anything unlimited. Unlock full potential of IntelliMate AI with unlimited workspace, collect unlimited leads, embed smart AI bots on unlimited websites, build unlimited email list, unlimited contact management with advanced analytics, and unlocking never-seen-before features. We've left no stone unturned to make you the market pro. And that's why you're getting everything unlimited. Interested? Let's check it out. You're getting the power to create unlimited businesses and workspace to keep each of your own and your clients' business projects separate and also maximize your business efficiency. Access IntelliMate AI and set it up to supercharge your business to close more clients, deals, leads and sales in a snap. Going unlimited alone is of huge value for your business, but that's not all. We've got many other amazing features for you. Unlock 50 more languages to remove language barriers. Get your subscribers auto-registered for your webinars with webinar platform integrations. Cutting-edge autoresponder integration to send your subscribers autoresponder sequence in complete automation. Personalized conversations with your visitors and customers. Regenerate response generated by IntelliMate AI anytime. Generate keyword-triggered responses. Manage leads effortlessly and make the most from them with our powerful lead management feature. Self-updating IntelliMate AI. Fully encrypted IntelliMate AI chat management. Keep your business and team members' chat conversations under lock and key with 100% end-to-end encryption feature. Lastly, you're getting all these benefits at an unparalleled price. Ultimately, you are saving thousands of dollars monthly with us, and every dollar that you save adds to your profits. Now, you're not only saving money, but you're also taking your business to the next level. These premium features put this upgrade in an entire elite class of its own. No other software comes even close to it. But there is a small catch. This exclusive offer and bonuses are available only today and only right now to folks like you who picked up IntelliMate AI, and we are offering it for a very minimal investment. Before your competitors catch on, start making profits with all the amazing features you're getting with this IntelliMate AI Elite upgrade. Your investment is covered by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. See, you've already made a smart decision to invest in IntelliMate AI. Now, make another wise decision and quickly become an elite member today. Hit the button below and go limitless with IntelliMate AI Elite Upgrade. Once again, I am Dr. Amit Parikh along with my partner Atul Parikh. And we'll see you inside.